Welcome to Wild Charge, Pangoro. Well, it is part of an evolutionary chain from Pancham. And yeah, this Pokemon I definitely remember from Pokemon Go. I also remember from the video games. Because of this very interesting and daunting mixture of fighting and dark type moves, it's not just unique, but a force to be reckoned with. Like, you just do not want to mess up your strategy in front of this Pokemon. Even this information that is mentioned about it as a Pokemon of the day, you just know you don't want to mess with this. Like, think about it. Let me read this out to you. Using its leaf, it can predict the moves of its opponent. It strikes with its punches that can turn a dump truck into scrap in just one hit. Just picture that. You definitely don't want to mess with this Pokemon. And follow for more daily Pokemon content.
I wanna be the very best, like no